There's a common belief that full composite Australian-built caravans are too pricey for many buyers. But that's not always the case, with Coromal now offering a well-equipped, full composite 19-foot caravan for as low as $45,000 drive away. But has Coromal cut too many corners to keep the price down? Let's find out. The Appeal 554 track pack comes well equipped for the price with a welded Duragale chassis, off-road pin coupling and easy tow suspension part of the package, along with wanted features like rooftop air conditioning, roll-out awning, exterior lights, 2 gas bottles and 118 litres of water storage. However, Coromal has kept the price down by omitting a few items you normally find on similar sized vans, like a front window and full tunnel locker, drawbar tap, gas bayonet and front stone protection, some of which are available as options. There's not a lot down market about the spacious couples interior though, with a modern colour theme and the basics covered like a queen-size walk-around bed, well-appointed kitchen and 2-person cafe dinette and adequate storage. So about the only big thing missing in the kitchen is an oven, although there is a microwave above the fridge that'll do a similar job. The bathroom comes equipped with a swivel cassette toilet and fiberglass shower cubicle with glass door, but there's no option for a washing machine. You also notice some cost cutting inside, like this less sturdy removable dining table, which has been fitted instead of a more popular fixed trifold unit. The 12-volt electrical basics are covered with a 100 amp hour AGM battery with 25 amp charger, but there are no water gauges and a solar panel and regulator are optional. To keep the price down, Coromal has also fitted a cheaper air conditioner and radio, and you'll need to pay extra for a TV and aerial. There's also a memory foam rather than core spring mattress fitted, although it does extend out 100mm for longer legs and is pretty comfy. So the other real world benefit of light but strong composite caravan construction is out on the road. Where even fully loaded, this Coromal caravan weighs less than 2 tonnes, which makes it child's play to tow behind a dual cab ute like this Mitsubishi Triton. The other advantage of full fiberglass sandwich panel construction is toughness. How many stick and tin vans can you do this to without making a dent? But all up, the Appeal 554 is hard to beat as an entry-level, full composite caravan. While there are a few things missing, it will get you out on the road in comfort and style and without breaking the bank.